Hello everybody, my name is Sheela Sheth and I live in Canada with my husband, 2 children and 6 grandchildren. I'm originally from India. Living in different countries over the years, starting with Ethiopia, Malawi, Sudan, Sultanate of Oman and Jordan, I have tried to bring an international flavor to my cooking to suit the palate of the region. My food and travel experiences are reflected in my columns through my Culinary Memories, Enigmatic Travels and Herbal Impulse, promoting healthy vegetarian cuisines laced with herbs and spices. Growing herbs and microgreens in my kitchen garden to create a healthy lifestyle has been my COVID special. Contributing to Almaji publications opened up new avenues, giving me more exposure and also space to indulge in different spheres of life, starting with family chefs, interviewing women in crafts and different walks of life, beauty column, and now the Culinary Memories and the Herbal Impulse. It's also been a platform for me to interact with writers from different countries and on different subjects and different cultures, with a wide exposure to digital media, giving way to increased readership and also improved technology. My contribution through enigmatic travel articles gave me an opportunity to share with my readers my personal experiences with exotic food and culture from different countries.